Find the second derivative implicitly. We will begin by deriving each side with respect to x. The derivative of y squared with respect to x is 2y dy dx. The derivative of x cubed with respect to x is just power rule, 3x squared. Divide both sides by 2y, which gives me 3x squared over 2y. Let's derive again. Find the second derivative. This is going to use the quotient rule, so low d high minus high, low d high minus high d low, over low squared we go. The derivative of 3x squared is 6x, so you have 2y times 6x minus 3x squared times the derivative of 2y is 2 times dy dx. 2y quantity squared is 4y squared. 6x times 2y is 12xy. Hey, I actually have a value for dy dx. I'm going to combine these things first. So negative 6x squared times dy dx. What is dy dx? Dy dx is 3x squared over 2y. And this is all over 4y squared. We can also reduce, so 6 over 2 is 3 over 1. That means that this fraction only now has a y in the denominator, which means this one needs a y to combine them. We'll multiply this by y over y at the same time. This is 12xy squared over y minus 9x to the fourth over y, all divided by 4y squared. We can also say all multiplied by 1 over 4y squared. Multiplying by a fraction is the same as dividing by its reciprocal. 12xy squared minus 9x to the fourth all over y. 12xy squared minus 9x to the fourth all over y. This is not looking super simplified. I feel like I can simplify it more, so we have to go back to any relationships they gave us. From the beginning, they told us that y squared is equal to x cubed. First, I will finish multiplying this for y cubed. So y squared is equal to x cubed. I see a y squared right here that I could change into an x cubed, and that might help me combine the top. 12x times x cubed minus 9x to the fourth over 4y cubed. That's 12x to the fourth minus 9x to the fourth over 4y cubed. Now I can combine the top. 12x to the fourth minus 9x to the fourth is 3x to the fourth over 4y cubed. Still, there might be some simplifying I can do, remembering that y squared is equal to x cubed. So I will write this as 3 times x cubed over 4 times y squared. And I know that y squared and x cubed are the same, so x cubed over y squared would equal 1, which gives me 3x over 4y as my second derivative with respect to x.